Today, I'm sharing 3 simple skincare habits every woman needs to truly transform their skin, whether you're in your 20s or your 50s, plus some of my current favorite skincare products to help you achieve clear, radiant, youthful skin. These are the same habits that help me take my skin from this to this, and my client's skin from this to this. Hey, I'm Evelyn, a holistic wellness coach specializing in women's hormone health and fertility, but here we go beyond that. From balancing hormones to mastering your emotions and embracing feminine energy, this is your space for all things holistic wellness, empowerment, and transformation. Get ready to reclaim your confidence, elevate your energy, and step into your most magnetic self. If that speaks to you, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and welcome to the channel. Now let's get into it. First, let's get this straight. The foundation of healthy skin is your diet. I always say your diet makes up 90% of your skincare. What you put into your body is going to show up on your skin, but the remaining 10%, that's your skincare. Don't underestimate the power of a great skincare routine. It can exponentially speed up your skin's healing, whether you're struggling with acne, dealing with pigmentation, fine lines, or just maintaining healthy skin. And a great routine doesn't mean a long, complicated one. My motto for pretty much everything is less is more, and skincare is no exception. The key to truly healthy, youthful, radiant skin is supporting and repairing your skin barrier so your skin can look and feel its absolute best. And the 3 habits I'm sharing with you today will help you do just that. Your skin barrier is basically your skin's protective shield. It locks in moisture, protects against irritants and bacteria, and keeps your skin healthy and resilient. When your barrier is damaged, you might notice more irritation, dryness, sensitivity, redness, breakouts, or even accelerated aging, which is why supporting it is so important. So let's dive into habit number 1. The first step to supporting your skin barrier and transforming your skin is smart cleansing. One of the best things you can do for your skin barrier is to stop washing your face in the morning. I know, we've all been taught to wash morning and night, but here's the thing. You really don't need to. Your skin naturally produces oils overnight that help protect and hydrate it. So a morning wash isn't necessary at all. In fact, over-cleansing can strip away these natural oils, damage your skin barrier, and leave your skin drier and more irritated. If you absolutely feel the need to rinse your face in the morning, you can do so with lukewarm water, but no cleanser. The best time to focus on cleansing is in the evening. This is when your skin really needs it to remove makeup, sunscreen, sweat, pollution, and all of the impurities that build up during the day. So in the evening, I always recommend doing a thorough double cleanse, especially if you've been wearing makeup or sunscreen. First, use a gentle oil-based cleanser to melt away any makeup and sunscreen, then follow with a mild water-based cleanser to remove everything else. This ensures your skin is completely clean without overstripping it. My 2 favorite cleansers that I personally use and recommend to everyone are the Bioderma Oil Cleanser and the Bioderma Gel Cleanser. They're both super gentle, non-stripping. They have clean ingredients, which is also really important, and they get the job done. And I'll be linking all the products mentioned in this video in the description box below. Moving on to habit number 2. This step is all about using nourishing ingredients to support and repair your skin barrier, keeping your skin healthy, calm, and radiant. 2 of my absolute favorite ingredients are Centella asiatica and niacinamide. Centella asiatica is a skincare superstar. It's quickly become one of my personal favorites. It soothes irritation, calms redness, supports barrier repair, and even boosts collagen production, which helps reduce fine lines and maintain plump, youthful skin. If you're dealing with breakouts, sensitivity, or just want stronger, healthier, more youthful looking skin, Centella asiatica is an absolute game changer. Niacinamide is another favorite ingredient that I always look out for, and it's one that everyone can benefit from. It strengthens the skin barrier, balances oil production, reduces redness, improves texture, helps prevent breakouts, reduces fine lines, and even supports skin elasticity. Niacinamide can be irritating for some, so if your skin is sensitive, start with a lower concentration. I personally find that most people tolerate a 5% concentration really well. Together, these 2 ingredients work so well. Literally chef's kiss. And here's how I personally use them. After cleansing, I apply a centella-based toner with my hands. I find that that is the best way to apply a toner. And this is the one that I'm currently using and loving. And then I follow this up with a niacinamide serum. And I always make sure to apply the serum onto damp skin just to allow the serum to penetrate deeper. This is the serum, the niacinamide serum that I am currently using. It's the Gaia Naturals B3 serum. I've been using this on and off for so many years, and it's truly a personal favorite. Habit number 3. Now that your skin is clean and nourished, let's lock in all of those amazing benefits with habit number 3, smart moisturizing. The key here is finding a moisturizer that's hydrating without feeling too heavy, especially if you have acne-prone skin like me. Many cream-based moisturizers, even the ones labeled non-comedogenic, can clog pores over time or just feel too heavy. That's why I've started experimenting with gel creams. And let me tell you, I am absolutely obsessed. Gel moisturizers are lightweight, hydrating, and absorb quickly without leaving your skin greasy or clogging your pores. The gel moisturizer I'm currently using and loving is this Red Bean Water Gel by Beauty of Joseon. It's super, super lightweight, fragrance-free, has clean ingredients, and leaves my skin hydrated but never greasy. And it's especially great for acne-prone skin. I highly recommend it. So let's quickly recap. Habit number 1 is smart cleansing. Focus on gentle but thorough evening cleansing and avoid overwashing. Habit number 2 is skin nourishment. Use barrier supporting ingredients like Centella asiatica and niacinamide. And habit number 3 is smart moisturizing. Lock in hydration with a lightweight gel moisturizer that keeps your skin healthy, plump, and radiant. Now I'm curious, did you find this helpful? Have you tried any of these products before? What skincare products are you currently loving? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Skincare is a topic I absolutely love, so if you want more videos like this, let me know. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.